Well, I am still here. It's just been very busy setting up the new workshop. Good news is, I've done some Saab this evening. That's coming up in a video soon. I'm going to make a video on the £250 MGTF I bought, for any MG fans out there. Modern MG fans. But no, all is well. So I'm still here, I'm still going to make videos. It's just taken a long time to get everything sorted out because, you know, business takes priority first. But no, Saab is resuming. I'm going to plan to do that most evenings. And so yeah, there'll be a video of that coming up soon. I've made a trolley for the back. It's just rudimentary, but at least I can wheel it around. Then I'll do that back arch. I'll do both back arches and the sills, and then move on to the front afterwards. I'll try and make one sort of every couple of weeks. Can't promise that because, you know, work comes in. But hey, I'll try and film some of that as well. It'd be nice to make some Saab stuff because nobody else seems to do it. Well, there's the odd person, but, well, the turbo's quite a rare one. But no, we'll be alright. The nice thing is everything is so much easier now. I've got a ramp and more space. Got a nice office. Well, no, it's a terrible office, but I need to make it nice. I've painted the ceiling and stuff like that. Might even do a workshop tour video, you know, for anyone who wants to bring their car in, to be honest. Company name is MB Classic Cars. Set up, no, proper company now. So here, I'm a business. Got a nice customer coming in a couple of weeks with his Saab 900. It's a T16S. That's basically a full restoration because it's a very rotten shell. So might film some stuff on that, but I say a couple of weeks, I don't know when it's going to be in. It's going to come in within the next few months or so. We're just waiting for V5s and things like that. But no, I will be filming more progress. Main thing is I did lose my camera batteries. That's another thing. Lost my camera batteries and the tripod. In fact, I'm on my reserve tripod at the moment because I don't know where my nice one is. But hey, it'll turn up. It's probably in a car somewhere. I haven't cleaned up the Passat for a while, so it might be sat in the back there. Not much more to say really. Yeah, probably do a workshop tour video. But no, I think the next video after this, probably even within a week, will be the 99. Go back to the old sort of format. You know, people actually watch my videos, which is I didn't expect. I was expecting, like, you know, 50 views max each. But no, one of them's taken off quite well. I don't know why. I don't find myself that interesting, but I'm sure other people don't either. But no, it's people actually like watching the videos, which is quite nice. You know, I just started doing it for a laugh, but hey, so we'll carry on. But actually, to make this video not just me talking, I'll do a workshop tour. Yeah, we'll do a workshop tour now. In fact, let's take the camera off the tripod and do a workshop tour. So, this is my office. Getting there. Nice desk. Still need to finish cladding the walls. Painted the ceiling the other day. Need to get rid of this customer counter because it was like a modern car mechanics workshop. But no, this is going to be purely the office, and that's all Saab stuff next door, so we should go next door. This is basically a storeroom full of Saab bits. Very, very nice. My approach is building shelves so things can go up, which I think works. This is sort of the messy corner with some engines. various engines. There's a couple of MGB engines, a Morris 8 engine block, and a Mitsubishi something or other that was left here. This is all stuff that needs to go away, and Land Rover stuff. It's the old welder. And there she is. There's the Saab. I did cut a bit of set out this evening, so that will be included in the next video. So that'll be nice. So Land Rover there, which I'm doing some work on. Just a few rot issues and usual Land Rover things like swivel seals and bits like that. That's actually going very soon, so don't steal it if you're a thief and watching this. So no, don't come in. That's annoying. I won't tell you where I am. That's a good idea. Got Shock Blaster the other day. That's all primed up and ready. Very useful for car restoration. Some crap down there from the garage. It's my old stationary steam engine, which I used to play with when I was quite small, and a load of crap on top of it. So one day I might even get that going, just for some laughs and for some what's the word? Nostalgia. That's an exhaust for an MGTF. Some panels and my new Artec welder. And I'm not promoting Artec because I don't promote companies in my videos. Well, one day I will, you know. But that is a bloody good welder. I highly recommend them. With the trolley as well. And yes, it's a bit emptier than it was. So I had the MGTF in, and I've had the Passat in a couple of times, and the B's been in. Oh yeah, found some broken thrust washers on that, but that's better now. No, this is the setup, and oh yeah, the ramp. The elephant in the room. The ramp was a nice sort of inclusion, and I'm very happy with it. It does the job nice. Proper two-poster, so I'm not faffing about with trying to work around ramps and stuff to do sills and things, but well, there's advantages and disadvantages to all types of ramps. But hey, right. Well, until the next video, which should hopefully be in a week's time, that's it for now.